Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at unit number 2. We are going to continue to look at the cities in the world. We are going to look at weather. There are 6 weather words that I want you to learn. So we will look at those. We will look at the student book and you will practice the first question of unit number 2. The question is about the weather. So you will need to practice that. And then we will talk about your homework. Your homework is the workbook, page number 12 in the workbook. Okay, now I will show you what you have to do in this lesson, but I will not give you the answers. I will give you the answers in the next class. Okay, anyway, you will need a pencil, an eraser, your student book, your workbook, and if you have them, your headphones. You know this by now. You know this every class. We need a pencil, eraser, and headphones. Okay, that's it. Let's get on with it. Let's see what we have to do today. Okay, so now I want you to get your student book and open it to page number 18. Page number 18 talks about today's weather. Today's weather. So this is what we're going to do. We are going to look at part A, listen and say. You're going to look at the pictures, listen to the teacher, that's me, hello. So I will do some talking and you have to listen. And then you are going to say the weather words with me. And then we are going to practice the question and the answer. Part B. Ask and answer. So we're going to practice the question and the answer. Listen to the question and answer with me, and then practice the question and answer. You will be looking at some pictures. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. Let's look at part A now. Okay, so here are our weather words. These are the 6 weather words you will need to know for Unit 2. They might be in the Unit 2 test, so you need to practice them. Let's look at them. Number 1, sunny. It is sunny in Thailand every day. Number 2, cloudy. It is cloudy in Thailand sometimes, but it is still hot. Cloudy, number 2. Number 3, rainy. It is rainy in Thailand in the middle of the year. Rainy. Number 4, snowy. Is it snowy in Thailand? No, never. It is snowy in South Korea and Japan and Canada and Switzerland and sometimes in England where I come from. Snowy. Number 5, foggy. Foggy is when there is water in the air and it means you cannot see very far. Chiang Mai gets very foggy in the mountains. Foggy. And number 6, windy. In Thailand, before it rains, it can be very windy. Okay, let's have a look. Sunny. Cloudy. Rainy. Snowy. Foggy. And the last one, number 6, windy. Okay, let's move on. Okay, let's ask a question for Unit 2. So what is that question? How's the weather today? How's the weather today? And the answer will be it's. Remember, it's is it is. It's. So let's look at picture number 1. How's the weather today? It's sunny. It's sunny. Okay, let's ask the question for this one. Are you ready? How's the weather today? Look at the sky. So the answer is it's cloudy. Picture number 3. How's the weather today? It's rainy. Picture number 4. Ooh, very cold. I think that's New York. How's the weather today? It's snowy. Number 5. How's the weather today? Can you see anything? It's like this. You can't see the trees. This is what it looked like when I was in Chiang Mai, when I went to Doi Internon. It looked just like that. I couldn't see this. So how's the weather today? It's foggy. Foggy. And number 6. How's the weather today? It's windy. Okay, so these are our 6 weather words and our question number 1 and answer for Unit 2. Let's move on. Okay, so now let's look at page 18 of the student book, part B. Part B, how's the weather in, and then the name of the city. And the answer will be it's, and then the weather. It's windy, it's rainy, it's snowy. So let's look at this question and answer. And number 1. How's the weather in... Where is the city? Can you read it? Look at the word. That is the name of the city. How's the weather in Paris? Okay, so let's look at the picture. Number 1. So the answer will be it's snowy. How's the weather in Paris? It's snowy. Okay, let's look at number 2. How's the weather in Seoul? Do you remember? Seoul is the city in South Korea. How's the weather in Seoul? Oh, it's rainy. It's rainy. Number 3. How's the weather in London, where I come from? How's the weather in London? Look at the picture. It's windy. It's windy. Number 4. How's the weather in New York? New York. How's the weather in New York? Ooh, that's nice. Like Thailand. It's sunny. Number 5. How's the weather in Sydney? Sydney in Australia. How's the weather in Sydney? Ooh. It's foggy. It's foggy. And number 6. Where's number 6? How's the weather in Mexico City? Oh, look at the sky. It's cloudy. It's cloudy. Okay, could you remember all of those? Could you remember the weather words? If not, remember, you can go back, look at this video again. You can go 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 100 times. You can just practice, okay? Practice with your student book and practice with the video. Great. Okay, I'm sure you all know where this is. It's Thailand. So, let's ask the question. Look at the name of the place and then we will answer by looking at the picture. And if you can remember the word, you say the weather word. So let's look at number 1. How's the weather in, where's this? Do you know? Chiang Mai. How's the weather in Chiang Mai? Ooh. It's, can you remember? It's foggy. It's foggy. Okay. Next one. How's the weather in, oh, where's this? Where's this? Do you know? How's the weather in Udon Thani? It's, what's this one? It's rainy. It's rainy. Okay, next one. How's the weather in, where's this? Ubon Ratchathani. It's, oh, it's windy. It's windy. Okay, let's look at the next one. How's the weather in, where's this? Where's this? Do you know? This is in Chantaburi. Where is it? How's the weather in Koh Chang? Have you been there? It's very nice. I've been there one time. I liked it. So, how's the weather in Koh Chang? It's cloudy. Okay, there's one more. Can you see it? How's the weather in, now where's this? Do you know where this is? You must know where this is. Lots of people go on holiday here. Lots of people go on holiday. How's the weather in Phuket? It's, what's this one? Sunny. It's sunny. Okay, great. Practice this question and practice this answer, please. Thank you. Okay. This is your homework. This is workbook page 12. Workbook page 12 has an A and a B. Here is A. A is draw a path. A path. What is a path? Path. Tang dern. Path. Where you walk. So you need to draw a path. Where do you go? You need to put it here. So part A is draw a path. Part B is circle and write. So let's look at part A. Part A, you must start here and draw a line to January. Why January? Because January is the first month of the year, month number 1. Now we need to go to month number 2. They must go number 1 to number 2 to number 3 to number 4 to number 5 to number 6. You can't do number 1 to number 8 to number 2 to number 7. No. Okay, they must go in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, finish. So they give you number 1, here it is. And they give you the second one, February. So what's after February? January, February, March. But wait. Oh, there's 2. You must be very careful because only one way takes you to the finish. So you need to make sure that this one can touch the next month. If it cannot touch the next month after March, it's wrong. So you have to think about it and draw the path. There's only one way. Okay. Part B. Part B, you need to read the letters in the box. Some of the letters you don't need, so look for the month, the name of the month. Number 1 is done for you. You can see number 1 is January. because they've written it here, which means that you don't need K, you don't need R, so you cross them out with your pencil. You don't need X, you don't need Z. And there you are, January, and you write the name of the month. So obviously you're going to need your workbook. It says it there. You'll need a pencil, and we will look at the answers in the next class. I'm not going to show you them today. So please do this homework. Remember, upload it to the Patay Udom Suksa ILP grade 3 homework section. Write your nickname and the code for this class at the top. Okay, so this class is 020 soon, song soon. Okay, that's the code for this class, and that's it. We will look at the answers in the next class. Okay, I'm going to talk to you now about what you need to practice, and then we can say bye-bye. Okay. That's it. So, please practice your months of the year. Practice your 6 weather words. Practice your cities, the cities around the world, so London, Paris, Mexico City. Please practice those. And practice the question and answer from this class. Do the homework. The homework is page number 12 in your workbook. Upload it to the Patay Udom Suksa ILP grade 3 homework section on the website, and I will check it, and I will see you on Tuesday for a live meeting where we can have some talking. Okay, right, see you next class. Bye.